Uh-oh.
Warning for western Montgomery County and southwestern Iowa. Daylight time. At 11:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Silver City, or 17 miles west of Red Oak, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hastings around 11:35 p.m., Emerson around 11:40 p.m., Red Oak around 11:50 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12 a.m. Wednesday for the following counties in Iowa, Mills, and Montgomery. The National Weather Service in